This is our school, our community. These are our parks. Parks and schools should be available before and after school for our kids and families to use. Madison's one of our older schools in Spokane Public Schools, built in the late 40s. Classrooms are very warm, there's no air conditioning. We also have leaks in quite a few places in our building, and we're just limited sometimes because of space. So one of the things that I think would be amazing with this new 2-story building is that some different opportunities for us to have some office spaces for the Boys and Girls Club to be there. Many of our kids wouldn't be able to participate in club activities or music lessons because we are a Title I school where the clubs offer those opportunities. Because we have a blacktop that meets the fence where Franklin Park is, our kids access that space all the time. Not only during the day, but for after-school clubs. And if we have this addition happen for our building where we have this amazing field house, I can only dream, as everybody else can, of all the opportunities that kids would have. One of the things our district has been very consistent about is less cell phones, less electronics time. And I really feel like our location makes it convenient if we were to have that field house for the community to be involved in events and support the local businesses.